Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve this question together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 15. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So if you're talking about a rational function, first of all, the rational functions are in the format of a over bu, with the numerator and the denominator. Another thing is, if you're talking about a vertical asymptotes are all related to denominator. So, and they're saying that x equals negative 15. X equals negative 15 is the vertical asymptote. Which expression would give you, when you solve for 0, that's going to give you x equals negative 15. It must be x plus 15, because when you solve x plus 15 for 0, you will need to take away 15 from both sides, and x becomes negative 15. So, as it is indicated. So, then in the choices, what I'm looking for is the expression x plus 15. So when you look at the choices with this logic, in the choice A, we have x minus 15, not x plus 15. That's why this is not the answer. In choice B, we have again x minus 15, but the x plus 15. So again, this is not the answer. When we look at the choice C, same thing happens. We don't have x plus 15. We're looking for. And if you would pay attention to that, I don't even look at the numerator. I'm just looking at the denominator. In the choice D, we have x plus 15 in the denominator, and x plus 8 are canceling each other out, by the way. The final version of this becomes x minus 5 over x plus 15. So this will give you a vertical asymptote at x minus 15. Therefore, the correct answer is choice D for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.